Discover the ultimate machining partner. Perfect for new energy vehicles, heavy machinery, green tech, and logistics. Plus or minus 0.0 to millimeter grade cylindricity accuracy via CNC controls and advanced systems. Save 70% energy with dual-servo tech and auto-centering cuts. Heavy-duty rigidity with reinforced HT300 cast bed for long-lasting performance. 28-inch cutting length, max module to 0.0. 60mm max tooth diameter, 800mm workpiece length. Efficiency meets innovation. We are your partner for providing excellent return on investment with special metalworking solutions.